Welcome to second grade at Reagan Elementary.
Meet the second grade teachers. I'm Mrs. Bader.
I'm Mrs. Holston.
I'm Mrs. McWilliams.
And I'm Mrs. Holstein.
We start each day with a morning meeting. These meetings build classroom community. We use the Sanford Harmony curriculum. We also review common expectations. And we use the Readers with Character. We have a new focus each week with a new story, and we have a home connection that will be sent home every Friday. We teach the math expressions curriculum. We start our math lessons with daily math routines, which are student-led, and a 5-minute quick practice. Then we have whole group instruction and activities. We also have differentiated instruction, and students share their thinking with their classmates.
Second graders will be able to enjoy a healthy snack every day in the mornings. Please make sure to send your child with a nutritious snack. Some healthy snack ideas include fruit, yogurt, string cheese, crackers, granola bars, and cereal. Please do not send candy, cookies, or chips. We are starting our brand new reading curriculum in Wonders by McGraw-Hill Education. Throughout our reading instruction, we will be focusing on oral language, word work, phonics, vocabulary, and comprehension. During guided reading, students will receive differentiated instruction and work in a variety of literacy stations.
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, we will have Writer's Workshop. We will study personal narrative, persuasive writing, descriptive writing, and poetry. We will also have an insect research project on Keynote. To celebrate our year-long poetry work, we will host a poetry breakfast at the end of the year. For spelling, we will have pre-test on Fridays. The words will correlate to the new skill each week. Students will be able to move to List 2 if they are successful with List 1 on the pre-test. Post-tests are on Thursdays.
For unit studies, we teach the Social Studies Alive curriculum. Science is a combination of the Foss and Scott Forsman curriculums. This year, we are beginning a new health curriculum by McGraw-Hill. We rotate between social studies and science, switching every unit for science and health and every few chapters for social studies. We teach art every Wednesday. In second grade, there are spelling packets that are sent home on Fridays and due the following Thursdays. These are optional and can be completed for a token. ExactPath is an online homework that can be completed anytime during the week. Login information will be sent home soon. Sometimes additional homework may be sent home. You will always receive information as these are assigned. If your child does not finish daily assignments, they will be sent home. Please have him or her complete that evening and return it the next day. Readers with Character home connection journals will be coming home Fridays as well. These are optional family activities. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please email your child's teacher.